The Narcotics Control Bureau has intensified its probe into the drug link in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. The NCB has summoned Ria's friend and Sushant's PR agent Jaya Saha and Sushant's former manager Shruti Modi. Both of their names cropped up during grilling of suspects by the Enforcement Directorate. Jaya Saha is known for her close links with Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shouvik. Jaya had earlier confessed to have advised Rhea to give Sushant CBD oil for his treatment and as a method to reduce stress. Sushant's girlfriend and prime accused Rhea, who spent 8 days in Mumbai's Baikula jail, still has 6 more days left in her judicial custody. She is likely to apply for bail in the High Court along with her brother Shouvik today. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live with more details on this. Pankaj, good morning. You're joining us live from the NCB office. A lot of activity expected there because the NCB probe clearly is getting wider now. More people being brought in to, in fact, to be interrogated.
Good morning, Akshita. In all likelihood, it's going to be a very busy day for the Narcotics Control Bureau because today, Jaya Saha, the talent manager who's handled both Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakrabarti, and Shruti Modi, the former manager of Rhea Chakrabarti, have been summoned by the NCB. I'm right outside the headquarters, and in a few moments from now, we're going to see the deployment of the Mumbai police as we've been seeing for the past many days. Now, remember, both Shruti Modi and Jaya Saha have earlier been interrogated and their statements have been taken by the Enforcement Directorate. In fact, it was the Enforcement Directorate, while it was investigating the financial angle, stumbled upon the WhatsApp chats between Rhea Chakrabarti and Jaya Saha first, and then between Rhea Chakrabarti and Shruti Modi, wherein it was clearly seen that they were discussing about drugs. It was then that the Narcotics Control Bureau was called in as well, and hence today they will be called in for interrogation. As you rightly pointed out, the investigation is getting very intense now. In fact, Karamjeet Singh, one of the drug peddlers in Mumbai, his SUV here, right outside the headquarters, has been seized as well. It is believed it was in this very vehicle that Karamjeet used to carry the drugs as well. So, as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned, it has really intensified its investigation. Now, many Bollywood names have also come out. We have showed the viewers how the boatman near the Pavana Dam, where Sushant's farmhouse was positioned, he has given out certain big names like Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet as well. So the NCB says that in the days to come, it is going to intensify its investigation. But today, 2 big names, Jaya Saha, Shruti Modi, they have been summoned, and in all likelihood, they will come and their statements are going to be taken.
And besides that, another big development we're tracking is that Rhea Chakrabarti and Shouvik are likely to file for bail in the Bombay High Court today. So we'll be tracking that also closely. Pankaj, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.